Amazon now shows you the ideal price to boost your sales. Let's dive into today's new feature in this video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you a pro tip so you can see all of the updates and news directly on Seller Central. Let's dive in. All right, so first we're looking at the news of you can now download your featured offered related pricing opportunities, and this will definitely help you if you aren't doing private label, if you're just selling different items, if you're a reseller. In response to seller feedback, you can now download a file of all your featured offered related pricing opportunities from Pricing Health. This includes offers that are not eligible to be the featured offer and offers that are close to the featured offer price. You can have a great customer experience. It's super important to us. Amazon provides a special tool to help you review your price and any pricing errors. So this is great if you have a lot of products. And what you want to do is you want to go to sellercentral.amazon.com/pricing/health. You can also come to the pricing tab right here and check out the pricing health. It'll take you right here. And if there's any errors, it's going to show them right here. So right now there's a pricing error on here. One or more pricing related fields does not meet Amazon's marketplace fair pricing policy. So you can attempt to update your price, and you can also attempt to dispute this. But this is important because if you have a pricing error, nobody can buy your item. Now, the pricing opportunities tab, this is all of the opportunities that Amazon's telling you, hey, reduce your price here, reduce your price here. But the new feature that they just mentioned is the request of all opportunities. So you can download this report. Once you download that report, it's going to look something like this, where it has all of your items and the opportunity type. So close to the featured offer price, you can match the featured offer price to improve your chances of becoming a featured offer. This is going to help you win the buy box. So this is a great opportunity when you can see, okay, what's the featured offer price, what's the average selling price, and what's your price. So we can see that somebody's selling it for 1 cent below us and we're 1 cent behind, above, and we can improve that so we can win the buy box. So this is great information, especially if you don't have a repricer. Now, for staying for the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to see all of the latest Amazon news to stay up to date. So all you're going to do is head to your homepage and you're going to click read more under the news tab on the right. Once you're here, you're going to click all news, and now it's going to show you all the latest news. And Amazon has been releasing a lot of different updates. So the new seller news experience, dive sales with Prime exclusive discounts, which is super important, reduce your costs and maximize success during the holiday seasons. So there's tons of news coming out. Is it all important? No. But are some of them very important and is going to affect your business, like implementing the Black Friday and Cyber Monday discount? Hell yeah. So that's kind of a great tip for you to stay on top of the updates that are directly from Amazon. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new in today's video, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to the channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. Our #1 service is Amazon Full Account Management, which we're doing for 90% of our clients, where you have your own designated consultant managing your advertising, customer service, listing SEO, everything in between that helps your business become successful and maintain that success. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. Signing out.